we go a long way.
Yes.
With your daughter and with Jessica's story. I think the God brought us together again, and I have been looking for a resource here in South Carolina to send my patients to buy kombucha. I really believe in the kombucha juice, and that for all my cancer patients, patients with the autoimmune disease and COVID sensitivity.
Absolutely.
It's a good product, and it's a good way to keep your body detoxed
Yes.
all the time. And I came across your board and I was like, oh, God sent me a message. And then we go back with your daughter that I treated her with the cancer.
Yes.
So do you want to share your story and how you started this?
Well, my daughter Jessica was diagnosed with stage 4 breast cancer when she was 19.
Yes.
And the doctors gave her, maybe 3 months to live.
Mm-hmm.
And they said, take her home, make her comfortable.
Mm-hmm.
And so I said, Jess, the doctors have given up on you. Let's try it my way. Let's see if we can find some natural ways that we can just help the body. And really my goal in that was just so that when she would die, not hooked up to machines and be in pain. I didn't really expect it to help her heal as it did. And one of those things that we did was kombucha. And like I said, she was 19. So trying to get a 19-year-old to drink vinegar all day was really hard. And I went to the store and I was looking at all the labels, and the way they get people to drink vinegar is add a lot of sugar. And we know that sugar is the enemy to cancer.
Right.
And so I was trying to find a way to make it drinkable and still good for you. And then I came across the oak barrels. I did a lot of research, and oak barrels make things mellow, bourbons and whiskeys and wines and beers and even coffees. And I thought, why can't I do that with kombucha and see how it works? So I did, and it worked, and it made it drinkable. So she was able to drink it, and it also made it so that we can ferment it 3 times longer with less of that vinegary flavor. And the more you ferment it, the less sugar and caffeine it has. So that was kind of my aha. And so I made it for her, and then my family, and then my neighbors, and then friends and friends of friends. And then one day a friend of mine said, you should take this down to the market and sell it. And I thought, well, that'll be a good way to make a few bucks on a Saturday. And it really it grew legs and ran. I went down one Saturday 6 years ago and said, somebody buy my glass of good health with the funny name. And they did. And it really has taken off, because now you can drink it because it tastes good and it's good for you.
Yes.
And so, and it's a natural, helps cleanse your filtration, liver, kidney, gallbladder, spleen, and colon. It helps boost the immune system. It helps with digestion. It helps with blood flow, healthy heart.
Are there any side effects?
So there aren't any side effects to it, as far as, it's not like taking a laxative that's going to make you go or anything. Kombucha in itself doesn't really do anything on its own. It supports the body's ability to do what it needs to do naturally. Your body knows what it needs, and then kombucha is there just to help it along. It gives it the ability.
So being an integrative occupational therapist, I remember playing a role in Jessica's life.
Absolutely.
Helping her energy level, helping her stay active, functional with her limitations, with her cancer limitations, her low level energy. And we did craniosacral therapy, we did myofascial release, we did meditation and relaxation techniques and some yoga exercises along with the occupational therapy.
Right.
And I always was a big advocate of a good nutrition, good support system. And I'm glad that you came up with something. Now I I always recommend to patients that go ask your doctor,
Yes.
consult with him, and see if this product is good for you, and help yourself. Yeah.
Yes.
And you're there to help them.
We are
And-
there in West Columbia. We have a kombucha. They
Yeah.
always have free samples. So if you want to come in and see, we want you to know which flavors you love.
Okay. Yeah, perfect. And always still check with your doctor if that's the
Yes.
good way to start being
Yes,
healthy. I
absolutely.
would recommend that. Thank you.
Thank you.